Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to go incognito on school Chromebook. Now, if you're using a school Chromebook, there are several ways how you can go incognito. Now, one of those ways is if you, on your computer, you need to open Chrome and then at the top right, click more and you can go to the new incognito window. Now, this is obviously a very simple way that most of you already know. However, there are several different ways how you can go incognito on your Chromebook. Now, as you can see, obviously this is the way that we talked about right now. You will be able to use incognito this way, or what you can do is you can also have Control Shift and then N, and that will open incognito as well, as you can see. And then to close it, you can go and hit Control V or Control W. Now, you can also open incognito window on Chromebook using quick shortcuts, which is right click and then new incognito window. And there you will have a private window open on your Chromebook. You can also disable incognito mode on your Chromebook by basically going to close incognito. Once you go here, right click, and then you will be able to close incognito. And yeah, that's pretty much a couple of ways how you will be able to go incognito on school Chromebook. Now keep in mind that if they limited your ability to go to incognito on school Chromebook, you will need to figure out different ways how to open incognito. Now I showed you a couple of ways here, but that's pretty much it in terms of opening incognito mode on your Chromebook, especially on your school Chromebook. So if you have a specific issue or if you want to comment down below and I'll be ready to help you out. However, in most cases, you won't be able to open incognito just like that on school Chromebook. So yeah, just know that. So thank you guys for watching.